let's walk in. No, actually, let's close this gate. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay.
She might be able to slide through there.
Hey you, it's okay, come here. Oh, food. Stop for food. It's a boy. Hey you. I want to just enclose this whole area to make sure it doesn't fall. Come here. No. Oh, hey. No. Come here. It's okay. Lisa. No, wait, Lisa, wait, Lisa. Okay. It's okay. Hey. No, Lisa, no, leave it. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. No. Good boy. No. We'll help him. He'll be okay now.
These were the pets of those guys who are sleeping here.
Okay.
Just scared. Hey. Oh no. There we go. Okay.
You're very pretty.
Yes.
Very.
You hungry? Oh, she's tired now. Look.
We brought her cheeseburgers, but
Oh, now she's getting friendly.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Hey, it's me. We're cool, right?
lifting. Ready?
Just not too close to your face. Right?
One night